Oh, we are back. Building a messenger for iOS. And we just finished the image cells right here. So that's pretty nice. We can click the button, upload the waterfall. It's stored as a file somewhere in this folder and can be downloaded by the client to look at the image. One thing I want to try is to upload a file that is vertical and then see what the cell looks like here, because these are all horizontal images so far. That doesn't quite seem right. That doesn't quite seem correct. Max width, max height. That's weird. Why would it not make it more narrow? A little confusing, isn't it? Because this is the background bubble color for any text bubble as well. So they all have this gray background. And it should not have this shape. That's bizarre. Maybe. I actually want it to be like this. Yes, that looks better than before. Unfortunately, now we have this nice issue where we want to give it alignment. Alignment is either, if the message is mine, then it should be trailing, otherwise it should be leading. Yes, okay, that looks a lot better. So the next thing I'm going to do is look at this from the other perspective. So we're just going to quickly uninstall this app to delete the cookie. And then when we look at it from the other perspective, it should still be the exact same layout, just on the other side. That's just the fastest way I could think of to make that work. Yeah, that doesn't really seem to be... right, because, yeah, now I'm just starting a new conversation with somebody who has another conversation with somebody else with that image. Well, alternatively, what I could also do is open a second device and take a look at it live on both sides of the screen. Okay. Now I'm not 100% sure which conversation is which. Let's just, oh, I guessed correctly. Okay. Now I'm gonna upload an image and it shows up pretty well. I think that works. Okay. My Git UI is frozen. That's nice. I think I might just force quit it. No, it figured itself out. Okay. Fix image double sus. Nice. There we go. What's next? I think sending video files is next, and I don't like that because that's going to be pretty hefty of a task. But I think we can start with it. So right now, when I'm sending a video file, right now, when I send a video file, it'll just upload as an MOV. I don't really have test data for videos because the simulator doesn't come with any, which is something they should really fix, but you know, they never will. So how about we search for MOV, MOV test, spacebar is broken. Why can't I press the spacebar? Okay, test file download. Sample MOV test file download. 30-second MOV download. Oh man, I'm not used to not having an ad blocker anymore. I wonder if I could actually block things in here. Ah, let's not get crazy. It'll be fine. Okay. 800 seems fine. Please wait a moment. Okay. So I think the way it works is you have to open the picture-in-picture player. Like if I close this, I don't have to file open anymore. Safari is this making pretty difficult for me. Like, I just don't want it to be full screen, you know what I mean? No, I think Safari is just frozen, which is fun as well. Okay. More. So if I close like this, then unfortunately I don't get to download the file. Let's try another provider for this. 3 MB, I don't think it gets any smaller. Ah, yes, perfect. Open downloads. Okay, yeah, I know this file actually. I've seen it before. And now we'll store it in the Photos app, a video. Okay. And now we should be able to upload it. Yes, but the bubble is empty because we have not designed the video bubble yet. Message row. Yeah. So let's just call it text video. There it is. Indeed. Yeah, I think we want to go with the 14 Pro because that's where I just downloaded the video file. So that's going to make it easier to keep retrying that in the future. Okay. Well, the very first thing we have to do now is to run FFmpeg. So I think at this point, do I have FFmpeg installed? I think so, right? I should have FFmpeg installed. Yes, perfect. Let's take a look at the Bubble server again and open hlospacking.sh. Oh boy. So this is all the scaling, that's correct. That's what I want to do. Now, this is not what I want to do, because I do want to change it to 265. We got V1, V2, and V3. I think we always want to do high. Okay, how about... The big problem is that edgeless packing in itself isn't even sufficient to convert all of this, because if you look at this method, there's like a million different things happening here. Task. I am using Celery to do this in production, which is, very reasonable. Celery and RabbitMQ. Where do I set number of workers? We have a Docker compose file somewhere here. Right there. And it's starting Django. With no entry point. So what is the entry point of the GSH? So we're starting Daphne. And we're starting the worker. Currency equals 1. Okay. Got it. I think by default it starts 1 per CPU core that you have. I think we should maybe try starting it with a 4 CPU core machine and giving Celery 2 cores to work with. um, the title of the stream should be HLS Packing Live. But what it feels to good today. um, Celery.py. So we have Redis settings, which we can take from the set. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I think it might be time to add celery to the mix. I'm thinking celery might be using PubSub from Redis, so I think I'll be filtering if normal starts with this way. We definitely don't interfere with Redis, with celery. Okay. Freeze requirements txt. I don't think we've done that before. And then we take our config, celery.py, and we copy it. Sorry, celery.py. App is always imported when Django starts with a task. We'll use this Auxiliary import app folder. What the heck? Okay. We have database number. Oh, I guess that's true. We should use different database numbers instead of filtering the pub/subs. Alright. Okay. Are we importing anything from Celery? No. So let's go to our settings file. Okay. And then from settings, import Redis find. I don't really know. So the Redis client is key value arguments for Redis, and Redis should have a password parameter, which is called password. Yes. Okay. Undo. Okay. Now we go to settings. Password is none. And now we go to Celery and set all of the things. Well, I guess that's better, yes. I think it should be fine. I think if you specify password even though none is required, it's fine. Next up is the host. Redis, I guess. And then we have CeleryDB. Well, let's maybe call it Celery Redis DB because I'm not sure if there's actually settings in Celery that have that name, and I don't think they'll have Redis DB as a parameter. Okay. And I guess we should also add the port. Port. And that is a number, so it's going to be $T. Okay. Cool. Next up, we okay, I have about an hour left today. Next up, we define tasks. Okay. Our app has tasks. So we create a new file called hls.py. And now we just need to copy these methods. Just to be safe, we can just import all the same things that we've imported in the last project. And then we do this. I guess we don't call it upload post process, but HLS pack. There we go. Okay. Nope. Generate thumbnail. Ah, damn. We should actually do that. What the heck? What the frick? No. 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 We just have a file path. Okay. HLS pack sync. I also don't think that's necessary. We do need to generate the thumbnail though, which is not fun. It's not fun. I guess we'll just do H for all of them for now. Okay. Remove code. Generate thumbnail. What is intent year is equal to GMP. We want to go to good ignore. and add TMP. Well, no X should be OS path extension. Split extension. Yes. File path 0. Okay. Yes. So we do have the thumbnail generated, hopefully, and the stream generated, hopefully. So, what the hell is an init file? Oh my god. Jesus Christ. So we take the HTML packing, we download it, we place it in the Django folders. What? Oh. Downloads, HLS packing to right here. Okay. Now we have you right there. Okay. I am worried about all of these UUIDs because I don't think we either want to use the processing temp tier or UUIDs. I think what we want to use is just the media root folder immediately. So I wonder what's a good way to get the parent directory. OS parent containing folder. I don't know. Python get directory. Dear name. Yes, that's probably what I'm looking for. File path. So these should all be dir. Dir should be this. And then ID should probably be libx of OS base name. Wait, how does split x work if it's not base name? Let's check. 3 import, and then OS detect. Oh, well, that's fucking horrible. We do have to wrap it in a base name, right? Because dir name is the directory and base name is the file name. Without, yes, okay. God damn it. So we got the dir, the file. Who cares about the extension? We don't care about the extension. And the next use of splitx probably has the exact same problem. Base name. Yeah, okay. So now we are uploading files, getting the file green path, master playlist, quality, master playlist path. Rendering log. Rendering failed. Right. Move codec. By open file. Yeah, so I think this part we can just skip, right? Wait, what is this? Override file name? No. I think we're done after that. Let's just remove it. Okay. I'm feeling pretty good about it. I think we could give it a shot. What the heck's upload? No. We don't need upload. We just hit file. No upload. What the heck? Also no. Okay. This we don't even come on. The settings. We have that process. Oh, we do need. Never mind. Okay. Thing available to us. Cool. So in theory, we should now be able to generate M3 U8 streams for video files that we've uploaded to the server. File upload view. If file dot file name, screw you too. Django playboard. Okay, that's exactly what to type. How about you give me a shell? How about you give me a shell from scene.models, import all of them. And now f equals file objects first. F equals upload objects first. F path URL file URL path. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Process uploaded file. Upload file. No, just upload. Process files. Import process upload file. Okay. New file. Process files. All right. And then this one has this method in it. Nope. Yes. And it has an upload, which is a type upload. From models import star. Path equals upload file path. If path ends import OS x equals OS path with x path 1. If x lower in MOF or MP4 HLS HLS import HLS pack. Okay, why does it say post? No. It should not be called post, it should be called file path. Tasks. File path. Okay. File path, file path. File path up. Let's see. There's a tiny chance that it just won't work. Tiny chance. Unrecognized argument insecure? What the heck? That's weird. Okay. Let's see what happens. I would say first off, we don't need to read this anymore. Let's say first off, we delete all of these. And then next up, we start uploading the video file. So that didn't work. Can import process files and process files. Well, fair point. It's not called process files, it's called process upload file. If not debug. What the heck? I have a feeling that it's not getting executed, but I couldn't tell you why. Yeah. Great. I can't tell you why. Because we need to skip the first character because that's the dot. Okay, let's try this again. Please give me a JPEG. It's not giving it. And import name task. I'm seeing what task. What's that? Because it's has a different name. Okay. Let's try again. We're trying to get a JPEG to show up here, which is the thumbnail for the image. Cannot return string to Drupal. Well. Ah. Yes. Did I get it right the other time? Yes. Okay. I don't know. Let's see. At least give me a JPEG file. It's okay if you can't generate the full HLS stream. Permission denied. Ooh. chmod 56 HLS background. Okay, but like the thumbnail thing should still work because it's doing that first and then the playlist after. Wow. Almost. Huh. Any errors? Nope. Nope. Okay. So my theory is I have no idea where the playlist files get generated. We might want to render it. Is there any issues? Warning, info. Doesn't seem like any catastrophic things. Okay, well. Let's delete those. What about the path? Dear equals your name file path. I have an idea. Let's see what we get out here now. Wait, what? Okay. Let's see what parameter we get. EMG upper path. Well, I guess we don't want to have place name in here, just the full thing. I think it gets hung up, like it never finishes processing. Let's see. Oh wow. Wow. Looking pretty good actually. What is in the stream files? It's still generating. Yeah, slow. Well, let's check something real quick. Okay, let's check. Third and HLS pack. Rendering log, we have to git ignore. Log. Okay. Let's see. All of you. And attaching it. How long is the file actually? Really fine there. 1 minute, wow. Okay, 1 sec, I'll be right back. Thanks for the reminder. I muted myself 5 minutes ago and I forgot to unmute myself. Um, I'm doing M3 U8 HLS packing playlist generation for video files. So we have one video file that gets uploaded to the server, and then FFmpeg is turning this single MOV file into a playlist file with 3 different resolutions and a bunch of different chapters. And then all of these files together make up the final video. If we open the MOV file to start with, this is what it looks like. And then if we open the playlist file, this is what it looks like. And I think it doesn't like opening them like this, but what we've done successfully before is just drag it in here and then open it. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So this file is now streaming from M3 U8, which allows us to have dynamic quality selection from any client streaming the video file. Oh, god damn it. I didn't just mute myself, I also selected the wrong scene. Okay. Anyway, this is the stuff that's happening. I swear it's only been like 5 minutes since the stream was broken. It's been working fine. Okay. I got about 15 minutes left before I have to go. And I feel pretty positive that it should be possible to do a video player, a very rudimentary video player in our little chat interface here, that is starting to show the video files live in the interface. We'll get there. We will get there. Okay. I think I have a strategy. First up, let's just quickly Google Django update single field with the update method. Yes. We do filter and then update. So the way that works is upload filter objects UID, and then update the processing to false. And the only thing we now have to do is to go into our little process files pi and set the upload.processing to true. And then save it. Because then we're able to tell from the client side if there's still some media processing happening in the background before we'll be able to retrieve the full playlist file. What I'm a little worried about is adding these UID parameters. I don't think we've done that everywhere. UID, and then in the tasks, we also have a new UID. And I think now, if we run the server again, it's gonna make some migrations and run them, maybe. Okay, yeah, we're fine. And we should be good to go. Let's quickly test this by deleting all these media files and uploading a new file to the server to see if the processing still works. Yeah, that looks good. Now, if I'm fast enough, I should be able to go in to the admin interface and see. Oh, the file isn't even registered in admin. Never mind. I won't be fast enough, but that's okay. I just really hope that it's still generating all of these files. Maybe, baby. Okay. Yeah. It's just gonna take a while. Okay. So next up, we should be able to return the status code 200 very soon. Very soon might be a bit of a euphemism. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and make our test file order so that all of this processing is a lot faster. But for now, in the last 12 minutes, I want to try and show what it looks like to display. So how about we go in and create a new video cell. Just very quickly import the SwiftUI video player by easy something. What's the name of the guy? View component new file video player.swift import SwiftUI import avkit, and we have the video player struct. Yeah, I think this one is avkit video player. Yes, maybe. What's in the body? Yes, okay. And then we have a URL of type. Okay. Because we transform it to a URL right here. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. What the hell is this? We don't really need overlay. Can we just remove this? Okay. So let's go ahead and take the video player and give it the URL off. URL, which is type string, and we take the inferior URL, which is var string, and we take rel dot lit separator dot prefix max length here all at count minus 3 plus M3. This is the ugliest hack I've ever done, but it should work now. So let's see if we're able to play this goddamn video. The answer is no. Or not. It cannot be played. Well, that's fun. That is lots and lots of fun. Okay. Print something. And let's see why it's not working. PO and 308. I understand. Let's see. HTTP localhost media. I think I know what's wrong and I think I can fix it. I think we just need ngrok because I don't think it can play M3U8 streams over HTTP. Oh my god, if that's the solution, I'm freaking genius. Let's see. Well, we're gonna have a new user again without any chats. Let's just go ahead and go back to the content view, creating a conversation with a random user and attach a new video file. Come on, what's happening? Well, now the problem is that it's going to be sending and uploading it. And we don't really have a detection yet for the processing being done. So we might have to open and reopen it a couple of times. Let's see what happens if we see a couple of texts. It's already sending the video file. I know why, because the processing is happening sync on the same thread, so it doesn't even store it into the database until processing is complete. Okay, let's give it a couple minutes, and let's see what's gonna come out of it at the other end. Okay, so one upload is definitely finished. Let's see. I can see this being an issue because file ID isn't generated until the upload is finished processing. So I think we probably have to start a Celery worker and then remove the debug real-time processing line. So I would actually say the opposite of it. If settings debug, then return sync. However, I think we should remove that. I think we should go to dev.sh and start. And we start a Celery worker by using this cute little commandery. Let's see if that's going to work. Okay, whatever. Yeah, that's not working. Why though? So after we start Redis, we have to sleep for 1 second probably. It gives us a warning. Ensure your configuration is correct. Try and again in 2 seconds. Now connect to Redis. Alt export call. Let it. So I gave it a password, even though the password set might be an issue. Might be an issue. Let's see. Okay. He likes that a lot better. Yes, sir. Let's see. So this should immediately create a message. I mean, immediately after the upload is finished. And then it gives me a unfinished oh, this is not working. What the heck? What the heck does this mean? Okay. No. I don't want Spike right now. Let's try that again. Mingle. All alone. Heartbreaking. Truly heartbreaking. Okay. Perfect. We have immediately generated the file. And now we take a look at the rendering log, which is going to continue to get a bit longer over time as we generate the different resolutions. I think it's going to take a minute. Okay, I gotta go in like 10 minutes. Please tell me that this is going to work. I really don't have the time. Wish me luck. Okay, it is still rendering. That's a good sign. The rendering should be almost done. I think that's it. That's always the last line of FFmpeg. So let's reopen the chat and cross the fingers. It's not working. Why is it not working? Excellent question. Well, e52.m3u8, e52.m3. So here's what I don't get. Why does it work in ENA, but why does it not work in the browser? Open this file. Here works fine. However, in the browser, it doesn't work at all. I have to go in 10 minutes. My theory is that maybe it doesn't like these relative file names. I mean, let's see. Do we have to / the whole thing? I don't think so, right? I'm very confused by the whole thing. The streams exist. I don't think I'm getting any debug information from here. You don't have permission to access the requested resource. Nah. We'll have to debug this at a later time. An error occurred trying to load the resource. And what error was that? Okay. I don't know. I'll have to debug this later. I'll have to go now. It's wild to me that it loaded the MP4 file correct, not the M4S file. What's wrong with the M4S? I don't know. I don't know. They exist. They're here. They have content, just like the MP4 file. Oh. We'll debug this in a bit. That's fine. I think that's it for now. For today, probably. And I'll probably be back tomorrow, maybe for a tiny bit tonight. Bye-bye.